Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The Diagnostic Trouble Code, DTC P2123, indicates a high-voltage circuit issue specifically associated with the Accelerator Pedal Position, APP, Sensor A, commonly referred to as Throttle Position, TP Sensor D. These sensors are integral to the vehicle's engine management system, helping to determine how much the accelerator pedal is pressed, which in turn controls engine throttle. The high voltage condition can lead to performance issues or failures in acceleration response. This error code can result in noticeable impacts on drivability, emissions, and overall vehicle functionality. The APP sensors usually reside near the throttle body, and their signals are sent to the Powertrain Control Module, PCM, to facilitate engine management. Accurate diagnosis and timely repairs of this issue are crucial to maintaining the efficiency and safety of the Honda Pilot. The code P2123 directly relates to the APP Sensor A, which measures the position of the accelerator pedal and sends this information to the PCM for determining fuel and air intake. When this sensor reports high voltage, it suggests an abnormal electrical signal that exceeds expected operating limits. Such high voltage can indicate a fault in the sensor itself or associated wiring. The APP Sensor A is typically located adjacent to the throttle body, making it easily accessible for testing but critical for performance monitoring. Its role is key as it directly influences engine acceleration and responsiveness when driving. DTC P2123 can hinder vehicle performance and could potentially lead to unsafe driving conditions if not addressed promptly. Several underlying factors could lead to the P2123 error code. The most direct cause is a faulty APP sensor, where the internal components may have deteriorated or failed, causing erroneous high voltage readings. Another possibility involves wiring issues. Cut, damaged, or corroded wires can disrupt the electrical signal and lead to incorrect voltage levels. Additionally, a malfunctioning Powertrain Control Module, PCM, may misinterpret sensor signals, further complicating diagnostics. Each of these causes emphasizes the importance of thorough checks and tests during troubleshooting, as addressing the root problem ensures that the vehicle operates smoothly. An accurate analysis will provide insights into whether the sensor or its related components require replacement or repairs. Drivers may notice several symptoms indicative of a P2123 error code. First and foremost, poor acceleration response can manifest, making it difficult for the vehicle to gain speed as expected, which could pose safety risks. The check engine light will typically illuminate on the dashboard, signaling the presence of an active fault code that requires attention. Additionally, vehicle RPMs may become unstable or erratic, impacting overall engine performance. These symptoms serve as critical indicators that the APP sensor or its circuit are not functioning correctly. Awareness of these signs can prompt timely inspections and diagnostics, preventing further complications and ensuring driver safety. Regular monitoring of performance metrics helps catch issues early, addressing them before they escalate. To initiate the troubleshooting process for DTC P2123, it is crucial to verify the problem conditions accurately. Begin by turning the vehicle to on mode, allowing electrical systems to engage without starting the engine. The next step is to utilize the Honda Diagnostic System HDS tool to check specific parameters concerning the APP Sensor A. The voltage reading should be assessed. If it exceeds 4.9 volts, it confirms the error condition is indeed present and replicable, directing the technician to continue troubleshooting. Conversely, if the voltage levels are normal, this may indicate intermittent failure. In such cases, the technician should inspect for poor connections, or loose terminals at both the APP sensor and the PCM, as these can contribute to signal disruption. This step ensures that any underlying issues are identified before moving on to component-specific tests. Step 2 in troubleshooting DTC P2123 involves isolating the APP sensor from the electrical system. First, ensure the vehicle is powered down by turning it to the off or lock mode. Next, disconnect the APP sensor 6P connector, which is crucial for the following tests. After disconnection, turn the vehicle back to on mode to allow for voltage measurement. Measurement should be taken across specific test points. Test point 1 at APP sensor connector number 4 and test point 2 at number 5. The expected result is approximately 5.0 volts. If the measured voltage is at or near this value, it indicates the APP sensor is likely faulty and will require replacement. Should the voltage not meet expectations, the troubleshooting must progress to checking for wiring issues or malfunctions in the PCM. In the final step of troubleshooting for DTC P2123, the focus shifts to ensuring the integrity of the ground line for the APP sensor. Start by turning the vehicle to the off or lock mode. The next action is to shortcut the SCS line using the HDS tool, ensuring that the vehicle is inactive for over a minute. After this period, disconnect the PCM connector A, 51P, and proceed to connect terminals A and B using a jumper wire. Terminal A connects to APP sensor 6P connector number 5, while terminal B connects to the vehicle's body ground. With these connections established, check for continuity between the specific test points, the PCM connector number 43 and the body ground. A continuity check here will confirm whether the power ground PGND wire is intact. If continuity is present, it suggests the wiring is sound, directing attention back to the APP sensor or the PCM itself. Conversely, a lack of continuity necessitates repairs to the open wire between the PCM and the APP sensor. Once repairs are executed for DTC P2123, it is imperative to undertake a final verification procedure to confirm that the issues have been resolved. This involves rechecking for any remaining or new Diagnostic Trouble Codes, DTCs, using the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS. If no DTCs appear, it indicates successful rectification of the initial problem. Next, ensure that the APP sensor and its circuit function properly during various operational conditions. A practical test drive is critical, allowing for real-world assessment of vehicle acceleration and responsiveness. Monitoring during this drive will help affirm that symptoms have ceased, providing both confirmation of repair success and relief to the driver. Such thorough verification guarantees that the vehicle operates safely and efficiently post-maintenance. Preventive maintenance for the Accelerator Pedal Position APP sensor is vital to avoid future issues such as those indicated by DTC P2123. Regular inspections can catch early signs of wear or potential failure, ensuring repairs can be made before total breakdowns occur. It's also important to routinely check connections and wiring associated with the APP sensor. Loose terminals or corroded connectors can lead to signal issues, mimicking fault codes similar to P2123. Keeping connectors clean and ensuring that wiring is free of damage are critical aspects of prolonging the sensor's lifespan. Furthermore, awareness of vehicle performance can allow for proactive checks when abnormalities are detected. These simple maintenance tasks contribute significantly to ensuring the reliability of the engine management system. In conclusion, DTC P2123 signifies a critical issue concerning the APP sensor A, typically indicating a high voltage situation that can impair vehicle acceleration and management. Identifying the exact causes, such as faulty sensors or wiring issues, is essential to executing the right repairs. Recognizing symptoms like poor acceleration, check engine lights, and unstable RPM can lead to early diagnosis and mitigation of potential performance impacts. Thorough troubleshooting that adheres to established steps helps ensure accurate identification of the root problems and effective repairs, promoting safe vehicle operation. Additionally, engaging in preventive maintenance plays a crucial role in sustaining the functions of the APP sensor and avoiding reoccurrence of the P2123 code, safeguarding the vehicle's overall performance and reliability. Lastly, diligence in vehicle care ultimately enhances the driving experience, ensuring a smooth, safe ride. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.